Need a pet shampoo that actually gets rid of that wet dog smell? Pethead has you covered with a range of products for every need. With Quick Fix, you can keep your pup fresh, fast, no fuss, no mess. Sensitive Sol soothes delicate skin and calms sensitive pups. Dry Paws, On All Paws has you covered with a nourishing, hydrating formula. Furtastic detangles and deeply moisturizes for soft, flowing coats. And our pomegranate shampoo bar cleanses, hydrates, and nourishes, plastic-free and planet-friendly. All of our products are made without unnecessary chemicals like sulfates and are 100% vegan with ethically sourced ingredients and cruelty-free. Find your pup's favorite Pethead product today.